Hi everyone, in this video, let's see the introduction for Matplotlib. So what is Matplotlib? So Matplotlib is an amazing visualization tool, so through which you can just visualize the data. So in this video, let's see introduction and also how to install this Matplotlib. What's the requirement for Matplotlib? Why we have to use that? So the reason behind that is we as a humans have we used to feel better in visualizing the data instead of seeing in tables or number forms. If you just see it in diagrams, so we can easily remember that, and also we can just easily get the insights from that. So that I will just show you an example. So you can see, so here you can see I just have a data here. So this is the Chennai weather data for the, you can see the 12 months data. So you can see this is the graph we actually have, and this is the tabular data. So you can see here, and when you see the table, when you see the data in the tabular format, so can you get the information very quickly? No, right? So you can see, if I just ask you what's the highest temperature, like in which month you just got the highest temperature. So what you have to do is you can just directly, you just want to check all those things, and you just want to check it, and you have to then only you can just understand. In the other case, you can see here in the graphical format, in the graph, when you just plot the data in the form of graph, like if you just visualize the data, you can directly say that. So you can see in this month, in the month of May, we just got the highest temperature. So you can see, right? That's the advantage of visualizing the data. So that's why you just want to use Matplotlib. So let's see how you can just install the Matplotlib. So for that, you can just follow generally pip install Matplotlib. So pip install Matplotlib. So if you are working in a Jupyter notebook, so you can directly install that using in the notebook itself. So, or let's say if you just want to install in the command line, even there you can just install using pip install. You can just use the pip command and install Matplotlib. Now let's see what are the functions and what type of plots you can just plot with Matplotlib. So let's see that. So before that, so let's import Matplotlib. And let's see the functions available in this. So these are the methods available in this Matplotlib. And what are the plots that you can just plot with Matplotlib? So you can just plot a line plot, a scatter plot, a bar chart, histograms, right? Pie chart, and box plot, violin plot, and also you can just divide the plot as subplots, and even you can just plot those things. And yeah, so this is the basic introduction video of using what's the use of Matplotlib and the installation and introduction to Matplotlib. So in this Matplotlib series, we will see what are the graphs what are the plots you can just plot with Matplotlib. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you feel this video is helpful, like the video, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.